Hey, Coach A. Hope you're doing all right. You and Miss Jan. When you log into AP Classroom, you should be at this screen right here. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my question bank, which is right here. I'm going to click on question bank. All right. Once I get to question bank, it's already got the create tab open. That's what I want to do. I want to create an assignment, basically. So I'm going to go over here to the bottom right hand. I'm going to name my assignment, which is going to be AP Bio FRQ. All right. And now I'm going to go pick my question. Okay. So I may go to unit and topic. I'm going to give them a question on unit number 6 on transcription and RNA processing. I want a question, an FRQ question on that. Then I'm going to go to question type. Put in FRQ, and it gives me 19 of them. All right, so I'm just going to preview this first one right here. All right, I kind of like this one right here. I'm going to preview it, look at it. Here's my question. Here's what I want to do. I like it. So I'm going to add it to my quiz right there. All right, I'll X out of that. And there's my question on the bottom right hand side. There's my question right there. So I'm going to save this quiz. You can add however many you want. You can go by different units and topics. However you want to filter it out, you can. I'm going to save that quiz right there. And once you hit save quiz, you see it says assign. Well, now I'm going to assign it to my students. So I'm going to assign it. I want my 4th period AP Bio and my 6th period AP Bio both to see this question and to do this question. I want to unlock the assessment right now. You can set a date and a time if you want. And that can just go right here. This time begins today at 1 o'clock and ends tomorrow at 1 o'clock, however you want to do it. You can set a time limit on there, 45 minutes, however you want to do it. Okay. Yeah, this is just all your parameters you can do right there. I'm going to let my students see my results. Okay. I'm not going to put a date and time on mine. It's going to be unlocked. I'm going to tell them I want it done by tomorrow at noon. However. And then I'm just going to assign that question right there. The assessment is added to 2 classes. All right. So when they open up their AP Classroom now, they should see an assignment. All right. You go to assignment on here or assign, it should be in there. AP Bio FRQ. That is the ones I just did right there. And I am going to now walk over here and, okay, I already did that. See, assigned or in progress. It's already assigned and in progress, so we are good. They're going to see that when they log in, and they can open it up. It's going to give them a place to answer it. The reason you really can't take the questions off this website is they try to keep it as secure as possible. So they need to answer it and type in their answers here, and then you can come back and see their results. All right? If there's any other questions that you need, just text me, all right? And that should about do it.